Hello students, today we will start a new chapter, that is statistics. Okay, now in this chapter we will see the mean, arithmetic mean, the subdivided bar graph and the percentage bar graph. Okay, now first we will see what is arithmetic mean. Okay, in earlier standard you have studied about the concept that is average. Okay, what is the formula for finding the average? Sum of all the scores upon total number of scores. Okay, suppose if the question is given, the number of pages on of a book Nina read for a 5 consecutive day were 60, 50, 54, 46, 50. Find the average number of pages he read every day. Okay, then the sum of the score means 60 plus 50 plus 54 plus 46 plus 50 upon the total number of score, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we will add it. Okay, then after adding, that is 60 plus 50, 54, 46, 50. What we will get, that is 6 plus 4 is 10. Now here 5, 10, 15, 20, that is 260. Okay, then here we will get, that is 260 divided by 5. Clear? Now we will divide 260 divided by 5. Then after division we will get here 5 5s are 25, 1 remaining, 5 2s are 10. Then here we will get, that is answer 52. Then the average number of pages read daily is 52. Clear? Now the average is also known as the arithmetic mean and the mean. Okay, means in statistical language, average is called arithmetic mean and or mean. Clear? The meaning is same. And for finding the arithmetic mean, the formula is, first we will denote, that is mean is denoted by x bar. Mean is denoted by x bar. We are reading it x bar. And the formula for finding the x bar is summation. This is a sign of summation. Summation means we will take all the, that is we will take total of fi xi. Now what is fi xi? Then fi is the frequency and xi is the marks of score. Means here, see in this example, what is the question here? The marks obtained from by the 37 student of standard 8 in a test of 10 marks are given below. Find the mean of the data. Mean these are the marks of 37 student. Okay, out of 10. Then some got 2 marks, 4 marks, 8, 6, 7, 9. Okay, see like that. This is the marks of 37 student. Now this is the score. This is the marks that student got. Okay, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. Means no one got 1 marks. No one got 1 marks or 0 marks. Students got above 2 marks. Okay, now then here we will write the marks of the score. Clear? And after this is a tally marks. Tally marks means how many student got 2 marks, then 1 student got 2 marks. That we will see in the example how to make this table. Clear? Now similarly, how many student got 6 marks? There is 5 student. Now this 5, how it's 5 is coming, that is first we will put 4 lines for 4 student, and for the 5th one we will put a cross mark. Okay, that we will see in the exercise. Just to now understand this. Now number of students, then here are the number of student, means 1 student, 2 student, this is 5, this is 2. Okay, after that we will multiply the frequency, that is the number of student. Frequency is number of students or maybe number of worker, whatever that. Okay, and xi is the marks, okay, or score. Clear? Now this is fi xi. Then summation. What is a summation? In our formula there is summation, means the total of this fi xi we will get here. And you all of you know, that is the total number, that is total, how many students are there, that is n. Clear? Then this is a formula for finding the mean, that is summation of fi xi upon n. Clear? Now we will start the practice set. In this practice set, first the question, that is the following table shows the number of saplings planted by 30 students. Here what is the table is showing, that is the sapling planted by 30 students. Okay, means here you can see in the first box there are number of saplings, in the second one the number of students, mean how many students planted one sapling, that is 4 students. Okay, now fi xi means multiplication of these two, means 4 ones are 4, 2 6 are 12. Okay, now 3 here I am writing so that you can come to know how we will get the answer. Okay, that is 2 into 6, that is 12, 3 into 12, that is 12 3s are 36, 4 8s are 32. Okay, now we will add this so that we will get capital N, number of frequency. Okay, now total number of students. Okay, and here after adding all this 4, we will get summation of fi xi. Okay, now here just add it, that is 12 plus 8 is 20, and this 20 plus 6 is 26. Okay, and this 26 plus 4 is 30. Okay, then this is 30. Okay, now just add it, that is 4 plus 2. Okay, that is 12 plus 4, that is 16. 16 plus 36 is 52. Okay, now 52 plus 32, that is 84. Okay, now this is 84. Now our formula, that is mean x bar is equals to summation of fi xi. Okay, summation of fi into xi. Then what is the summation of fi xi? That is 84. Okay, and the n is 30. Then now we will divide it. Just divide it, that is 3 ones are 3. Okay, 3 tens are 30. Here 3 twos are 6. Okay, 3 twos are 6, 3 eights are 24. 28 divided by 10 is 2.8. Then the average number of trees planted is 2.8. Just now I told you average and the mean is the same thing. Okay, here we have the question was asked, that is find the average number of saplings planted by each student. Then this is the average. Okay, I hope this question is clear to you. Now we will move to the second question. Okay, now in the second question, what is given here? The following table shows the electricity in unit used by 25 families of Eklara village in the month of May. Complete the table and answer the following questions. Okay, now these are the electricity used, means 7 family use 30 unit, 2 family use 45 units, 8 family use 60 units, 5 75, 3 family use 90 unit electricity. Now fi xi means 30 into 7. 30 into 7 is 210. Okay, 3 7s are 21, that 210. 45 2s are 90. 6 8s are 48, that means 480. Okay, 75 into 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 7 5s are 35 plus 2, that is 37, that is 375. 9 3s are 27, that is 270. Now we will add it. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20 plus 5, that is 25. Okay, and now we will add it. Then here this is 5, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 8, 14 plus 8 is 22, 22 plus 10 is 32, then 32, then 2 here and 3 will carry, then 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, 3 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 2, that is 14, that is 14 and 1425. Okay, now this table is ready. Now we will see what is the question, that is how many families use 25 units of electricity. Then how many family use 25 units of electricity, that is 2 family. Then here we will write this question, and after that here write 2 family use 25 unit electricity. Okay, then 2 families. Here I am writing the answer, that is 2. State the score, the frequency of which is 5. Okay, here the score means how many families are there, those state the score, the frequency of which is 5, means here how 5 family, then here you have to tell that is the score of that frequency. Okay, then what is the score of this, that is 75. Okay, then here we will write the score is 5. Okay, now find N and Fi Xi. Okay, that we have calculated here. Okay, now find the mean of electricity used by each family in the month of May. Okay, find the mean of the electricity, then for finding the mean of the electricity we will write the formula here, that is X bar is equals to summation of Fi Xi upon N. Okay, now summation of Fi Xi is 1425 and N is 25. Okay, then here we will write upon 25. Just divide it. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 4 remaining, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Now again cancel. 5 4s are 20. One second. Okay, sorry, yeah, 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40, and this is 285. Okay, then 5 5s are 25, then 3 remaining, then that is 35, then 5 7s are 35, then your answer is 57. Then here we will write the answer, that is the mean of the electricity used by each family in the month of May is 57 units. Okay, clear? Is 57 units. Now in the third, we will move to the third one. Now in this the fourth question is omitted. Now the third one. In the third one, here you have to make the frequency table and find the mean of the member of 40 families. Then what is the question? The number of members in 40 families are given below. Means in some family have 1 member, in some family have 6 members, some have 2 members, 3 members, 4 members. Then here are the number of members in the 40 families are given. Then you have to make a table. Okay. Now first question number 3, practice set 11.1. Okay, now here first we will write here the number of members. We have to find the number of members. Then here we will write number of member. Okay, In the next column, tally marks. Okay, and the next column, that is number of families. 40 families are there, then number of families. Okay, and in the next column, that is FI XI. Now this one, number of families means FI and number of members is XI. Clear? Now we will make a table. First we will see how many means here how many members are there in each family. Then here you can see some has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The maximum is 7. Okay, then here we will write that is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here we'll complete our table. Now here the first one is 1. Okay, then 1. Then how we will do that? Then the here you cancel it, that is cancel with 1, and here you write here 1. Okay, now cancel from here, that is 6, you mark 1 here. Now 5, right, mark 1 in front of 5. Now the 4 here, 3 here, 2, 1 line. Now 7 here. Now 2, 3. Okay, as you are cancelling it, now as you are cancelling, put the mark here, that is 4 here, 5, 6, 4, 6, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4. Now this 4, then here 4 lines are over. Okay, in front of 4 there are 4 lines, means then for 5th one we will cross it. Okay, now then next one is 5, then 2 also, the 5th one is there, then we will put a cross. Then 4, 3, then 4 and here 3. Then after that, just for 6th one we will again put 1. Okay, now 2, 3, 5 2 times. Then we will put here this one 1, and then 4, 6, 4, 6, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 6, 5, 6, 4, 2, 4, 2. Okay. Okay. Now here this is the 3 are 7 and the 4 are 8. Okay. Now here we will write the number of family, that is 2, 8. This one is 7. This one is 8, 7, 6, 2. Okay. Now we will do FI XI, means multiplication. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 3 7s are 21, 8 4s are 32, 7 5s are 35, 6 6 are 36, 7 2s are 14. Okay. Now we will add it. Okay, so that we will get the total number. No, here no need to add that one. Okay, because here it is given as 40 families. Then when you will add, then you will get here 40. Okay, then let's first confirm it, that is 2 plus 8 10, 17, 17 plus 8 is 25. 25 plus 7 is 32. 32 plus 6, that is 38, plus 2, that is 40. Okay, here it is given 40 families and we got here 40. That means our answer is correct. Okay, then this is your capital N. Now we will add it so that we will get summation of fi xi. Then just add it, that is 4 plus 6, 10, 15, 17, 18. 18 plus 2, 20 plus 6, that is 26. Okay, carry 2. Then yeah, then 3, 5, 8, 11, 14 and then 15. Then your answer is 156. Okay, now we got here summation of fi xi. Then the mean is summation of fi xi upon n. Summation of fi xi means 156 upon 40. Now just divide it. That is 4 ones are 4, 4 times are 40. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 12 3 remaining, then 4 9s are 36. That is 39 upon 10 is 3.9. Then your mean is 3.9. Then here we will write the answer. That is the mean of the member, the mean member of the family, the mean of members per family is 3.9. Is it clear? With this this practice set is over. In the next video we will see the next practice set. Okay, bye.